Hello guys, today we'll be studying Sejarah Bab 1 Konsep Kedaulatan. So first of all, we need to know that the introduction of Konsep Kedaulatan. Okay, wait Okay, Kedaulatan ditakrifkan sebagai kekuasaan tertinggi dan kewibawaan sesebuah negara yang bebas. Okay, what does this mean? So like, kedaulatan is actually the power that we can use it to like control the pemerintahan, like take and like make our pentadbiran smooth. Control pentadbiran / pemerintahan, which is the politics side. Yeah, and then this kedaulatan concept already start back when zaman KMM, which is Kesultanan Melayu Melaka. Yeah. So like, when your country have kedaulatan, that means that your country is a negara yang bebas dan berdaulat, which your country is free from getting conquered by other country and like free politically, like taking care of like our own pentadbiran. Yeah. So now let's move on to takrif kedaulatan. Takrif kedaulatan. Okay. In takrif kedaulatan, we have three types. First, we have bahasa Yunani, which is the Greek language, and bahasa Inggris, which is the English, and bahasa Arab, which is the Arab language, and our own language, bahasa Melayu. Let's see what they talk about. What is the definition of kedaulatan in their language? So in bahasa Yunani, they say kedaulatan. Let me close this. They say kedaulatan is superness / super anus, not anus guys, and then which bermaksud agung atau tertinggi, which mean that when you have the power, kedaulatan in their language is supernus and super anus, and means that you have the highest power. Yeah. And then this merujuk ke negara yang bebas dan, oh my god, why I write English? Dan merdeka. Okay, so the keywords we need to know, which is supernus, agung, tertinggi, bebas, merdeka. Okay. For bahasa English, we write here, bahasa Inggris. They say that the definition of Kedaulatan is sovereignty. Sovereignty. Yeah, it's kind of hard to spell, but it's very important. Which bermaksud kuasa penuh terhadap pemerintahan. Okay, what does this mean? So sovereignty means that you have the full power. Full power terhadap pemerintahan in your country politics side. Yeah. Okay. And then we got Bahasa Arab. In Bahasa Arab, they say that Daulah. Wait, yeah, this is the keyword, guys. Keyword. In Bahasa Arab, Daulah is the keyword. So what does Daulah mean? Daulah bermaksud kuasa pemerintahan sesebuah kerajaan. That means that Daulah means that you have the power to run your country. Okay? And then we get to the last, which is Bahasa Melayu, which is our own language. Yeah, this is so stupid. You know why? Because the perkataan is daulat. Yeah, so remember to memorize daulat. What does that mean? It means what it means, right? Like kekuasaan tinggi. Yeah, bermaksud kekuasaan tinggi. Yeah, it means like you have the highest power to run your country.